Hey, good afternoon everybody. I'm Ernie Doeden here at Bill Caldwell Ford. Today I'd like to show you something that a lot of times we all forget as a consumer, as the buyer, as the seller, everything, is the memory settings. Most of our vehicles from Ford come equipped with a memory setting. The memory settings usually are right here. We have 1, 2, 3 memory settings. Sometimes on some of the vehicles they're even down here with a 1, 2, and a 3. But I'm going to show you why these are kind of important and they're really nice. So follow me inside and I'm going to show you how to do it. As I said, we have the 1, 2, 3 settings here. What those memory settings can help us with is we have the ability to adjust the steering wheel any way we want. Also underneath here along the steering wheel there's also an adjustable pedal. So our gas and accelerator and our brake pedal will also adjust. So we can adjust that. We can adjust our steering wheel. We can also adjust our mirrors, our left and our right mirror from here. Once we have it set the way we want and our seat, we then just hold this in, and you'll notice right up here in a second, I'm going to hold number 1 in, and it'll all of a sudden say memory saved. Okay? Now, what's good about that is now I drive, and if I'm all done, I push the button to turn it off. Everything goes back, my seat goes back, and it's easy entry, easy exit. So it makes it real nice. But remember I said we have 3 buttons here. So if you're like my wife with her car, the number 1 setting is without a coat. Number 2 is her setting with a coat. And number 3 is the one I get to use. But that way, when you get in the vehicle, you can adjust it to the way you want by just a quick button after you've set it the first time. Let's say you're driving down the road and you want to change it. You could adjust your seat or your mirrors or whatever, and then you could hold in whatever number you want again, and it will just change right there even as you're driving, and hold that. But again, the memory seats are nice for the 1, 2, 3 settings, whether it's people or with the type of clothes you have. You can adjust your steering wheel, your foot and gas pedal, your mirrors, and your seat, and you can memorize it, and you can even change it on the go. So it's a simple little feature that sometimes we neglect. I'm Ernie Doeden at Bill Caldwell Ford. Thanks and have a great day.
The automotive solution. You feel better in a Bill Caldwell